not do this at home? Okay, girl, so today I am piercing my other nostril because I think I want to change the side that it's on, or maybe I have two. I don't know. I have got a job, so I obviously hide the septum and I would wear a retainer in this nostril. I pierced my septum a few weeks ago and it is healing so good. Okay, so without further ado, let's get kicking. Let's kick some ass. Okay, I'm so scared. Right, let's get on to it. So my hands are freshly washed, so they are clean. First things first is to clean my nostril. Okay, let's do it. My head is so big, yeah. This angle, yeah, not doing me any justice, but yeah, let's clean my oh God. I've had this nostril pierced before like 10 million times, right? So I won't be piercing in the same place I was pierced before because there'll be scar tissue, and girl, I'm trying to get no extra pay for nobody, okay? From there, this is so scary. It is a 16 gauge, but it's smaller than the one that I used to pierce my septum, so I should be fine. I've put the cap thing in alcohol, so I'm gonna be capturing that, well, the needle with that. I'm so scared. Oh God, I'm like sweating. All right. Oh, it's through. Oh, I got it. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Okay, so I'm going to thread this labret up way so I can screw the ball on top. I would not recommend the L-shaped ones for the nose because you can easily knock it out your face. But let me do that, okay? Oh, it's quite cute. I did it. I'm a baby. By the way, the labret is titanium. It's not gold. So yeah, it's a safe metal. Let me try and put the ball inside. This is gonna be so hard. That did it really hard. I'm so shocked. That was like a 4 out of 10. Because I was thinking that the skin is so thick, like how is the needle gonna go through? But it did, and I did it, and I'm the best bee in the game. Let me know what you think, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I'll probably do a few more piercings on my ears, and then yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you.